the near pad so that you can see the white nose cone poking up. It's David Setter's Nike Smoke. It's a Cosmodrome, the manufacturer. It's got an F-15 in it. It's the first flight, motor ejection, and main. Parachute at main. Main parachute and apogee, rather.
Very cool.
Let me get the right switches. E1. It's got continuity. Okay, the white nose cone rocket. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Very nice straight flight.
Nice.
There's the parachute.
Awesome.
It's going to blow back here too.
Perfect.
Coming to us.
All right, let's go.
Awesome.
Well done.
You can leave this stuff out here. Yeah, I can also just ship it.
There she is. Ah,
So
beautiful.
that's coming in right on us.
Oh boy.
Fortunately, it's not super heavy.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
There we go.
Second row cars. There's a little rocket. No, it's going to be right between them.
Oh my goodness.
Perfect placement.
Whee!
Well done.